Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
For the only way Oriental chicken salad dressing, gather 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoon granulated sugar, 2 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon white vinegar, and 1 tsp toasted sesame oil. Mince 1 garlic clove and thinly slice 1 green onion, white and green parts separated. Also have 1/2 tsp kosher salt and 1/8 tsp freshly ground black pepper on hand. Measure and prepare ingredients ahead so the mixing step stays smooth and fast when you start emulsifying the dressing. Start by whisking the 1/2 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoon sugar and 2 tablespoon water until smooth and slightly glossy. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tsp toasted sesame oil, and continue whisking to emulsify. This creates a balanced sweet-salty base. Stir in the minced garlic and the white part of the sliced green onion for aromatics, then taste for salt and pepper, adding up to 1/2 tsp salt if needed. Cover and chill the dressing for when ready to serve. Drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons of dressing over each Oriental chicken salad and toss so lettuce and chicken are evenly coated. This recipe makes approximately 1 cup of dressing, enough for 4 to 6 salads depending on how heavily you dress them. If the dressing thickens in the fridge, whisk or shake, and add 1 tsp water or a splash of white vinegar to reach desired pourable consistency. Store covered in the refrigerator for up to 7 days and always retaste before serving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.